Today's video is going to be a real special one today because you're going to see what I do for engineers. And what I do for engineers is I give them the ability to have the opportunity to fulfill their dreams. Now in this particular video we're going to be focused on Rufus, on his journey of fulfilling his dream to become a masterful engineer. So you're going to see various things what I do throughout the day. I'm going to be doing some support, training, showing him things where he's not too sure on. I'm going to be giving advice, confidence, because it's the ongoing process of learning.
Hi, my name is Rufus. I just want to let you know how my progress in Ihnen. About a year ago, I was doing my gas engineering training in the Brookhouse Training Center. I passed my ACS, and again, as we all know, we need to get to the practical aspects of this profession really to get going. I was introduced to air boiler by a friend of mine, and that's a fantastic opportunity to progress quite quickly in this profession. I took his advice. I came here and I met with Coach Tony Morgan, and I started everything all from there, and here I am today. I am really progressing. I am happy. The mentorship program is very, very helping. As today, as you see, things that I don't know in this profession really. Coach Tony Morgan is going to talk me through them, and continuous learning in this career is a very great thing, and I'm happy where I am at the moment really. As you see things in this video. Hello guys, so as part of my mentorship program, this is my van in a boiler. So I set out on my home to carry out tasks, different tasks in a different property. So as you can see, it's a way forward in this profession really. So guys out there really, if you just finished your ACS, or you're still working somewhere, or you still don't know how to progress very quickly in this profession, you can do the same thing as I've done really. Here I have a hair boiler. I own the van to myself, and I'm very confident to go out there and work. So you'll be surprised with what you're gonna learn within a frame of time. So it is a fantastic program really. I'm happy that I'm here, a hair boiler doing this.
Right, we're on our way to a job. What we're going to be doing is looking at a unvented cylinder job. We're going to be changing 2 immersion heaters and the temperature relief valve. So part of this we're going to be showing you what we do. I'm going to be showing Rufus this job is not done before. I'm going to be helping go through it, guiding him through it, mentoring him through it. This is what you will get on the program. You will see as the day unfolds. We're coming into the city centre of Manchester. Now in the city centre there's loads of apartments. You can see cranes as we speak. Lots of buildings going up, lots of opportunity in the electric boiler unvented cylinder market, which A&R is involved in. We're seeing the potential of what's going to happen in the future of potential business in this area, because in the gas side of the things, that's diminishing and electric boilers are going to increase. So if you want to be ahead of the game, I really encourage you to get into this particular field, what A&R is, and the engineers involved in A&R are also doing. job. We shall see. And like I said, this is what you need to do yourself. So we'll be nearly at the job, and then we'll be beginning. We're now trying to get some parking now. In the city centre, parking is always an issue. Well, I think we found somewhere now. We're going to be parking just here. Yeah, we're going to get here, and then we're going to just pay our parking fee, and then we're walking up to the job. So we just parked up now. I'm just going to pay for our parking. Yep, let's put our money in. We're doing 1.5 hours. Very expensive, £4.30. And then we're going to walk to the job. This is where we're working today, in this apartment block here. We're not parked too far away, so not too bad. We'll have to press the intercom and then we'll get access. Now we're in the apartment and this is the job in hand. So as I said, what we're going to be doing is changing the temperature leaf valve here and these two immersion heaters. So what was happening, it was continually discharging hot water through that ton dish there. So this was opening and then letting water out, as I said there. And we're changing these because they're starting to corrode. This one was also leaking as well. So what I said to the customer, it's better to change both of them because they're both the same age. There's no point in training down the unit to do one and then have a reoccurrence on this bottom one. So it's false economy really. So that's why we're going to do both of them.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the power's turned off here. Now this is the consumer unit, so let's have a look what's going on here. They're labelled, but these are not. Actually it's here, looking on here, so number 8 and 7. Which are these two? So I'll flip them down because it's labelled there. I thought it was here, you see, but it's here. What I did yesterday, I was here yesterday as well, so I've diagnosed what was going on and I've drained it down to make it quicker for us today. I've turned off the stop tap here. Open the hot tap and then attach this hose pipe to the drain off cock. Luckily there's a waste pipe there from the washing machine, so I just put the hose in there and then I drained it out. Now in draining it out, this is the hot water outlet pipe here. So I disconnected the nut here to let some air suck in, because what will happen if you don't let air into the top of the cylinder, it'll airlock and then this part won't work, it'll just stop or it'll take ages. So you let some air in at the top. Sometimes you've got the outlet on the right at the top of the cylinder, but on this one it's here because it's right at the ceiling, so that's why I didn't do it like that. So Rufus, you said you wanted to say something about that.
Yeah, as you mentioned that this is a hot water flow pipe really, that you're losing the connection there, and I said the purpose is to allow air in to facilitate the draining of the water in the tank really, as in to help the flow quicker.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to check to see if, make sure there's power. Well, there's no power present. You can use your multimeter and carry out your polarity test as been shown in the past. What are we on there? We need to be on AC. Okay. So let's look at your live coming in. So your live, if you look at, so you're actually neutral then. Okay, and then your live coming in will be this, that's one, the bottom one, no the other one. That's it, you can see your live coming in now, that's it. And then going in neutral. No, that's not your neutral. Your neutral's the blue one. Look at the blue wire. Okay. That's it, so there's nothing there. So go across live and earth. Just touch the casing. Okay, so that's 9 volts. And then we'll go across neutral and earth. So that's a blue, and back to the casing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. Okay, so we know it's dead. All right. So that's what you do just to make sure there's no power on. Now in this particular video, we're not going to go through the actual process of changing these immersion heaters. You can find that on another video what I've done. It's on the Masterful Engineer website, and you can see me changing immersion heaters with one of the other trainees, Nadine, when they were doing this job. A few little tips that I will say before we carry on. Just to making sure this unit is empty. If you tap it like that, the sound of it, you can tell
Empty.
it's empty, yeah? Okay, so that's one tip. The other tip on the replacement of these immersion heaters, you prepare your new ones first, get them ready, open up, and you'll see the actual, in fact what we'll do, we'll look at one quickly. This is the new immersion heater. That thermostat we've pulled out from out there and took the top off. So these are your bits, what you're going to do, what you need anyway. You're going to put that on first, use that screw there, and so that little hole there. If you get that little plastic, the black thing, yeah, that's it. That just sits, no, on it, no, it sits like that. No other way around. Let me see. On first anyway, and I want to do that. Then we're going to put the earth nuts on that earth rod, screw that on with these two, follow up with that nut as well. Get that prepared, and then it's ready to go. We're not going to fit the thermostat until the last bit because we're going to put our wiring on that. So that's as far as you go with the preparation on that. Now this is our preparation part of the job. We've got the earth part on, and we've got this part done as well, as you can see. You can see we're taking out the immersion heater now. We've cleaned out the thread. We're about to put the new one in. You can see the condition of that immersion heater. Oh, it's corroded. So it well needed doing. That's the top one. Now we're going to put in the bottom one in. Now that one is complete. I'm now going to move on to the temperature relief valve. I'm going to have to undo this bottom nut there. Disconnect that pipe. We might have to disconnect this one as well. That connection here. If we can't pull that down enough once we removed that knot there. I'll loosen that knot. Once we've done that, then we're going to unscrew the body from the cylinder. We've now opened the stop tap and it's filling up. So just to recap, we've changed temperature valve and the two immersion heaters. So as I said, it's now filling up. I've got the tap open here, as you can see, and that's the air being pumped out the cylinder as the water goes into it. And that'll do that until it's full, and the water will start pouring out here, and then I'll shut off the tap. Okay, Rufus, so what did you gain from this experience of doing what we just did?
Yeah, it's a great experience. It's invented a cylinder which I've not done before. With you talking me through it, Coach Tony Morgan talking me through it. It's a great feeling that you can lay your hands on this and have it done by yourself. It's a great experience.
Alright, brilliant. As you can hear, it's now stopped because the unit is now filled. Everything's good, nothing's gushing out. This is under this much pressure. We're now going to turn the electric on and test, make sure there's power going to both immersion heaters. So what we'll do, we'll just go to here, flip them both on. Now they're both switched on and there's power present here, so we're going to just confirm that. Okay, yeah, if you go across live and neutral. Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay, release.
That's also good.
Okay, release. That's it. Well, we're just going to cover these up now. And that'll be the end of that. Alright, we are to another job now. We just finished the unvented cylinder, changing the immersion heaters and the temperature relief valve. Now, Rufus, having gone through the exercise, what I did with yourself and shown you what to do, we had a few little niggles on the way, but we resolved everything. So how do you think you would have fared doing that job on your own next time?
Yeah, it was a great experience having to do that with you, gone through all the installation of the immersion heater. So I've seen all that, and yeah, I have confidence to go on my own and do the same thing, do the same job. I have confidence to do that now.
Okay. Anyway, what I'm telling to you guys out there is what I do in this mentorship program is take people like Rufus, and they learn quickly, they get the ability to do the jobs, they get the opportunity to do the jobs, do complicated jobs what would probably take them 3-4 years from now to do, for them to get the confidence for them to do that, but they get it quickly with me in this program. So I give guys like Rufus the opportunity to fulfill their dreams. So if you want to get on this vehicle, you click on the link below, you can find out more what we do. But as I said, we do everything, we're transparent, I'm showing you what we do through the videos. Anyway, we're on to our next job and we're going to show you what we do there. So stay tuned in, we'll see you there very soon.
Yeah, guys, as Coach Tony have just explained there, really, please do not let anything to hold you back. You've got a lot to gain than to lose. So yeah, like I said, I am a living witness to this whole experience, and it's the same thing when you come on board. You're gonna get the same feeling too, as he has mentioned, within a short pace of time, and you learn very quickly and you learn a lot. So that's the most important thing, really. And you just get fully equipped with what you need to be a good engineer out there. So give it a try, and I'm sure you'll be happy with what you've done to yourself. All right.
That's it. Yes, exactly. As he said, and as I'm saying, you've got nothing to lose, everything to gain. If you're sitting on the fence, doubting, thinking, should I do it? If you want to be a masterful engineer, if you want to be someone succeeding, if you want your dreams to come true, this is the vehicle for you. It rhymes, that. I like it.
Yeah.
So, no hesitation. Just click on that link below, and we'll see you real soon. We've just arrived at Heating Spares in Oldham. It's one of our suppliers, what we use, where we get our spare parts. They've just gone to the back for a minute just to get some stuff for us. As I said, we're getting a Ravenite diverter valve. It's in this box. What we're going to a job. Very soon you'll see us on that particular job. We're also getting this expansion vessel for the job. What we've got, we're doing it tomorrow. It's an 18 litre expansion vessel. Just take it out. So what's happened with this, in here you got a diaphragm and it's split. So this part what's got air in, it's got water in it now, so it's making it too heavy and it's fell off the wall practically. So that's a job what we're going to be doing real soon. Right, what we're doing now, we're just going to do a bit of a digress. We're just going to one of our installers jobs. We're doing a Worcester, I think it's a 34 CDI Classic, and one of our installers are there, and he's with, I think, one of our gas portfolio engineers as well. So we're going to see that and see, as part of the mentorship program at A&R, what we do. This is the same day recording, out on the job, out on the day, I should say, today, and we're going to pop to another job which is going currently with what I'm doing and other guys in the network are doing as well. So you're going to see someone else, a guy called Morris, on the job, and you'll see for yourself what we do. As I said, when you come to the A&R, you can experience all what you're seeing, and you're going to be looked after, get the great advice, technical advice, the people skill advice, everything you need to become a masterful engineer. You're going to see right now. Okay, I've just arrived on site. Here we are. You can see the installation going in. He's doing some soldering work as we speak. And I've got with me Junior. He's doing his gas portfolio on installation. So what have you learned on this job? What are you doing now?
Basically, just completing my gas portfolio, soldering, cut down the pipe down to size, and then right now we're just finishing the vessel extension I just put on.
Okay.
So yeah, pretty much very interesting. So.
Okay, and you did a boiler installation yesterday as well, didn't you?
Yeah, did one. This is my third one actually.
Yeah, so it's been his third installation. That's good. Excellent. So how did you find A&R anyway? How did you find us?
Yeah, great.
But how did you find us?
I was just online, just what's the word?
On the internet, okay.
On the internet, yeah, through a friend, because I just moved to Manchester, and he actually recommended me to go to AR.
Who recommended you?
A mate of mine,
Okay, where was he from?
Congo as well, because I'm Congolese, and he actually recommended me to AR boiler service.
Okay, good.
And then I checked it online myself and made a phone call, and here I am.
All right,
My
excellent.
third
Okay.
installation now.
Okay, guys, so you hear that? What this guy did? Look online, you'll find us.
Yeah.
Just Google us, gasportfolio.net. Here we go. So this is the boiler what's about to go in. That's the 34 CDI. And you've got the dog at the back. Let's see what it's called. Come here, doggy. What's his name?
Oh, it's the she's Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell. Come on, Tinkerbell. Come on. This is time to get fame. You're not coming on? She gone hiding. Right, now we've left that job. We're on our way to another job. What we're going to be looking at now is a Raven 84ET. And it looks like it's going to be a diverter valve problem. Now, as you know, we're doing the mentorship program, and today I'm just showing you a typical day where I go out with an engineer, give him more help and training, so we're together, but most of the time he's on his own during the course. The other time he's with me is the first month of the mentorship program, and from there he goes out in his own van, which you've seen his van before. And as I said, I'm gonna give him some hands-on training or mentoring him to get through the problem. So you'll see what we see when we arrive at the job. Right, we're at the job now on this Raven hoop. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look at the divert valve operation. So if you open that hot tap, and I'll just show you something there. So you can see it move out, but it's not making the switch. You can see there, that turn the tap off. Yeah, and do it again. Yeah, you can see it didn't make the switch, so it's not moving fully out, so that's the problem. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is turn off the installation underneath the boiler. You've got the cold water inlet, flow and return, drain the boiler down, and replace the diverter valve. On changing this diverter, there's a couple of ways you can do it. You take the whole thing out. Depending on, there's a nut at the back of the round here, just where my finger is at the back, there's a nut there which is really difficult to get on. Or we can do option B. I don't want to show you too much on this video because this is not for training, this is to show people what we do on the mentorship program, and if you want to find out, you have to basically click on the link below. Right, the boiler's back on, and you can see I've changed the diverter valve, just the front end I've done. Now if you want to know the secret how that was done, as I said, you have to click on the link below. We'll just confirm that it makes the micro switch. If you just run the tap, can you please? You see it going to full travel to the switch. Just move that. You can see that's totally engaged as it should. So that's the job done. Okay, cool. Alright, so we've now completed that job. Changing the diverter valve. So Rufus, I just want to ask you, what did you learn from that experience doing that job?
I learned very important techniques, especially to fit in the diverter valve. The push rod, the technique to connect, fix the push rod before connecting the main housing to the diverter valve was a very important technique to me, really. I've never having to install or seen the votre verb installed that way. So it's an important technique for me. It's something really very, very important to me. So yeah, if I have to do that same job elsewhere, I know what exactly to do. So it's a key thing.
Okay, yeah, so as I said, the techniques, what we did, basically these are secrets, what we've got as masterful engineers. And as I said, if you want to know more about this, or in fact become one, learn the techniques what Rufus has done, then click on the link below and then you can enjoy the work what's needed to do this profession, to become professional, to be confident and fulfill your dreams of what you want to do in your life, in this career. So that's going to be the end of this video, and that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next one.